Hello people. So this is just an question solved for Facebook Hacker Cup qualifier round, and this is question number 8, that is travel restrictions. So in this question we have given some countries and flight moves from one country to another country. So they have given that only we can move to adjacent countries directly. Meanwhile, suppose I am at position 3, then I can move to 4 and I have a direct flight to 2. But if I want to move from 3 to 7, then I have to go with via 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is the only possible solution. Okay. They have told also that due to this pandemic, COVID-19 obviously, so they have some countries have blocked their incoming flights and some countries have blocked their outgoing flights. So we have given two different array also, array of characters, which one is incoming and another one is outgoing. Okay, so the incoming having no and yes. Okay, you can see no and yes. N stands for no, Y stands for yes. Suppose let's have a look. For 3 we have incoming yes. So the country 3 is taking the incoming flight, but it is not sending its flights to outside. Okay, so it is no there. Okay, this is the basic scenario. What we need to do is that we have to generate a matrix of n cross n. Here n is 10, so I have already built that matrix, and in that matrix what we need to do is we have to place all the places with n or y. Suppose I have to fill this position. This is the row number 3 and column number 6. So outgoing 3 to 6, क्या मैं फ्लाइट 3 से 6 पर ले जा पा रहा हूँ? So is it 3 to 6? Can the flight, or is there any way to move from third country to the sixth country? Okay, so if yes, then it will be y, otherwise it is n. Okay, so moving toward the solution, what we need to do is, the very first thing is that it is already mentioned in the question that diagonal elements will always be y, because there is no need to move from one country to the same country because you are already there. So it is always yes. Okay, now the next thing is, what I will see is I will start from 1 and loop till 9. I'll start from 1 and loop till 9. What I will see is that from first country can I move to second country? If both are yes, then I will, from first to second, I will write yes. Now from second country to first country, is it so? 1 is no here, so we could not move, that's why it is no. Okay, now the same I will follow. From second country to third country, yes, it is yes, both are yes. So second to third, yes, but third to second there is one no, so obviously third to second will be no. Okay, from third to fourth there is one no, that is why no. From fourth to third, yes, from fourth to third it is yes. Okay, from fourth to third it is yes. Now from 4 to 5th there is one no, that's why it is no, from 4 to 5th. Now from 5th to 4th it is yes, because both are yes, right? From 5th to 6th I will move on and continuously I will do the same. So we were looking from 5th to 6th, yes, 5th to 6th. 5th to 6th it is no, so from 5th to 6th is it no, and 6th to 5th it is also no. From 6 to 7 no, 6 to 7 is no, and 7 to 6 is also no, and 7 to 8 is yes, 7 to 8 is yes, 8 to 7 is also yes, 8 to 7 is also yes, then 8 to 9 is yes and 9 to 8 is no. So 8 to 9 is yes, 9 to 8 is no. 9 to 10 is no, 9 to 10 is no, and 10 to 9 is yes, 10 to 9 is yes. Okay, so here I have done the very first step for the problem. Now what I need to do is I have to fulfill this remaining part. So there is a big strategy for this. Now its work has gone. Now we have no work with this. Now I will continue solving the problem. What I will do, I will start from third position, and there also my I loop will start from 3 to 10, 3 to 10, and jth loop will start from 3 minus 2, sorry, I minus 2. Here I is 3, that's why 3 minus 2, that is 1. So suppose the very first position I will be 3 and j will be starting will be I minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, and that will be 1. तो मेरी पोजीशन रहेगी a of 3 1. I will start filling like that. My loop will go I plus plus and j minus minus. Okay, ठीक है. I will put my code inside the description. You can watch that and you can view that. Okay, so what I will see for this, suppose I have to move from 3 to 1. This is the basic point. Can I move from 3 to 1? So what I will check is that, can I move to 2? It is no. Okay, so the question ends up here. If there is no option to move to 2, how could I move to 1? Okay, now starting for 4, can I move to 3? Yes, I can move to 3. Yes, but there is no option for this. I cannot move from 3 to 2. So it is also no. So basically what I am doing here is that I am checking here j. Suppose I am here at a of I j, then I am checking a of I j plus 1 double equals to y, and a of I minus 1 j double equals to y. If both the conditions satisfy, then answer is yes, else no. Else answer is no. Okay, else answer is no. Is it fine? So I am fulfilling this. You can weave that. No, no, so answer is no. Yes, yes, answer is yes. Yes, no, no. No, no, no. Yes, no, no. Yes, no, no. No and no, and move toward the solution. No, 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 no. Yes, no, then it is no, 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 no. Yes, no, then it is no, no. Yes, no, again no. So this type. Okay, you can see that I have fulfilled the half, or we can say the lower triangle of this matrix. Now I have to fill this upper triangle. Okay, for this I will follow the same strategy, but here the loop will move from ith loop will move from n minus 2 to 1, and jth loop here will move from so jth loop will move from I plus 2 to n. You can see that we have position for, suppose the very first is I, that is n minus 2, 10 minus 2, that is 8. Okay, and j. So starting the jth position will be 8 plus 2, that is 10. So my first index will be 8 to 18. So I will check a of 8 and 10. Now for here, what we have to check is that if a of ij minus 1 and end, ij minus 1 and end a of I plus 1 j. If both are yes, then our answer will be yes, else answer is no. So matrix में समझते हैं, देखें. So the very first is this. I will check this index and this index. Both must be yes. So there is no, yes, 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 no, no, yes, no, 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 yes, no, 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 and so on. I will fill this matrix. As you can see, this is very easy to solve, right? Yes, no, no, yes, 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 no, 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 no. So basically the time complexity for this solution is big O of n square. Big O of n square is the time complexity, and memory is big O of n square. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.